This is a story of hope about how whole communities can come together, not only to solve some of the largest problems of our times, like global warming and environmental injustice, but also to create jobs and revitalize our local economies. Our country once had a solid middle class, supported by small businesses and good local jobs. But many local businesses were bought or replaced by huge non-local corporations, taking the profits, the jobs, and much of our quality of life and social capital with them. Without jobs and profits being reinvested in our community, poor neighborhoods get poorer. And disinvestment, lack of educational opportunity, and barriers to employment compound themselves. Today, some of the poorest cities in America also bear the brunt of high unemployment, health issues, and the highest levels of environmental pollution in the country. The COVID-19 pandemic has exacerbated this crisis. It is becoming clear that we need solutions that marry local job creation with fighting existential threats like climate change. 8 million more people in our country have sunk into poverty during the pandemic, and this number is increasing daily. But there is hope. We have created a new kind of business model for building community wealth, one that is strategically designed from the ground up to maximize the number of economic, social, and environmental benefits for our local communities. Who are we? We're CHERP Locally Grown Power, the first nonprofit solar panel factory in the world, designed to be replicable in cities across the nation. This is how it works. First, our patented solar technology solves several fundamental design flaws in existing solar architecture. This cutting-edge technology allows us to radically simplify solar panel assembly, eliminate costly components, and make solar panels with local labor that are cheaper, produce more power, and last far longer than conventional panels. Next, we deploy those solar panels using a nonprofit business model, benefiting the lowest income households first. This is an environmental justice imperative, but we also know that lower income households tend to spend the extra dollar saved from lower utility bills more locally and immediately, which stimulates the local economy at a higher rate than high income households who tend to save or invest those dollars outside of the community. This has a tremendous multiplier effect on the city economy, as those dollars get circulated many times throughout the community, passing from businesses to employees and then to more goods and services, over and over. Phase 1 alone of every factory will deploy 6,000 solar systems on low to middle income households, create 700 direct and indirect jobs, and redirect $6.5 million per year back into our communities from the utilities. CHERP Locally Grown Power produces sustainable energy, regenerative economics, and cultural equity while bringing back green middle-class manufacturing and construction jobs designed to be replicated in cities across the country. Let's work together, locally, to create a better future for everyone.